If you are struggling with tracking your macros because you have no idea where to start and you are beginning your journey, I am going to teach you exactly what you need to do. Number one, determine your goals. Before tracking any macros, you need to know what your goals are. Lose weight, muscle, attain, reverse. Number two, calculate your energy needs. Use online calculators or my calculator to get exactly how much energy and protein and macros you need to succeed and achieve your particular goal. Number three, when setting your macros, you want to have some guidelines to follow. For protein, aim between 0.7 and 1 gram per pound of body weight, or 1.6 to 2.2 grams per kilogram. Carbs, depending on your activity, it will range between 2 grams to 10 grams of carbohydrates per kilogram of body weight, but this is specifically related to your physical activity. So if you're not as active, aim for the lower range, between 2 and 4 grams per kilogram of body weight. That's pretty much the rest, the calories, usually between 20 and 30% of your total calorie intake. 5. Simplify your life. Track with an app. Some of you will be old school and would use pen and paper, calculators, spreadsheets. Get your life much easier if you want to be consistent with this. Apps like Chronometer, Spal, Lose It, or any other can be helpful to get started. Start tracking your meals. Start logging everything you eat, drink, and consume. Even those bites, taste, and licks. Those count. 7. Attention to your portion sizes and adjust them as needed. To use measuring cups, scales, and other tools that help you to be more accurate with your weighing and measuring. For your progress, regularly review your macro inputs and see how consistent your macros are over a period of time. Even if you don't have macro targets, think about how much protein are you actually consuming if we were just to aim for that 1.6 to 2.2 grams per kilogram of body weight. Are you easily getting there or are you struggling to get there? 9. Stay consistent and flexible. The beginning is going to be hard and tedious, but I promise this will give you enough awareness and it become much easier as you do it.